Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to find recently added contacts on iPhone using Shortcuts app. Let's have a look. First, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the search bar and type contacts. From search result, tap Find Contacts. Then tap None beside Sort By and choose Creation Date. Beside Order, tap Oldest first and choose Latest first. Toggle on Limit. Use the limit toggle to set the limit for the number of results. You can use the minus and plus buttons to increase or decrease the limit. By default, you will see 5 contacts. Tap Search for Apps and Actions. Type Show Result. Tap Show Result. Tap on the auto-assigned name at the top and choose Rename to set your shortcut's name. You can set any name like newly added contacts. Tap Done on top right. Tap on the shortcuts to run it and it will show you last 6 contacts you have added. Since we set the limit as 6. Tap and hold on New Shortcut and tap Share. Tap Add to Home Screen. Tap Add. Close Shortcuts app. Now from home screen you can check recently added contacts on iPhone. So these are the steps to find recently added contacts on iPhone using shortcuts. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.